In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page background color in Dreamweaver. If you're looking to customize your website's aesthetic, adjusting the background color is a fantastic place to start. Let's walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring that you're confident every step of the way. Begin by opening Dreamweaver and loading the HTML file you'd like to work on. If your workspace feels a bit cluttered or confusing, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find it helpful as we proceed. Once your file is open, navigate to the menu at the top of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Page Properties. You might also notice a Page Properties button situated on the Properties panel at the bottom of your workspace, which you can use instead. Either option will bring up the same dialog box that we need. Now that the Page Properties dialog is open, you'll see several different tabs or categories. For this task, we're focusing on Appearance, CSS. If you're more comfortable using the older settings, you might prefer the Appearance, HTML, tab instead. Both will allow you to change the background color, so choose the one that suits your workflow best. Once you're on the right tab, direct your attention to the Background Color section. Here, you'll see a small color box. Click on this box to open up a color picker. You can now choose any color that catches your eye. If you have a specific color in mind, perhaps matching your brand or design scheme, you can enter its hexadecimal value directly into the provided field. This option gives you precise control over the exact shade and ensures consistency across your web pages. After selecting your desired color, click OK to apply this change to your page. Don't forget to save your file before proceeding. You can do this by clicking File again and choosing Save. It's always a good habit to save frequently to avoid losing any changes. Now that you have made these adjustments, it's time to see them in action. Preview your changes by opening the page in a web browser. This will give you an accurate representation of how your background color will look when viewed by your audience. A quick side note. If your page uses an external style sheet, be aware that it might contain CSS rules that override your background color setting. If you find that your changes don't appear as expected, you may need to adjust the style sheet directly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the background color of your page in Dreamweaver. I hope this guide was helpful and gives you the confidence to experiment with different colors until you find the perfect look for your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!